What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial I just want to show you how you can make it to where your pivot table will refresh whenever you open your Excel file. So to make this happen, go to pivot table analyze, and then after going to pivot table analyze, go to pivot table on the left, and then after clicking on that, click options. And then once you're in your pivot table options, you're going to want to go over to data. After you click on data, you will see options for pivot table data, and there's a little checkbox that says refresh data when opening the file. And if you have this checked, then whenever you open the file, the pivot table data will automatically refresh. Then click OK, and now whenever I open the file, the pivot table data will refresh, which is great if you're getting your data from sort of external source that needs to be refreshed with fresh data. Hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment.